Alright. Just gonna play around with Jarvis and make a RSA ad just to kind of show the world how...
What's Jarvis? Can you explain what Jarvis does?
Jarvis is a AI content generator, and we're going to use it to populate some of the fields in our responsive ad mockup generator. So we got two tools, and we're going to work with them together. Alright, so Google Ads Pacing Dashboard Data Studio template. Should I just use the whole thing like that?
Try that, see what happens.
Okay, alright.
I think the more info you feed it, the better results you get. So.
Okay. Alright, so I'm looking for description. We actually have an article here that was written by Amy Hebdon of Pacer Magic. And it's a nice article. We've used this template before. We like it a lot. And so I'm just trying to help her out and show you guys maybe an RSA ad that sort of promotes her template or her tool, and use Jarvis to help me create the content without having to think too much. Okay, so let's see here. I'm looking for description. Alright, so pacing dashboard gives you access to probably want to do a little bit more. Okay, the dashboard leads with KPI. Dashboard leads.
So what's your thought process when you're looking for a description?
I'm just reading through the article, seeing if there's some interesting blocks of content that I could take away from. We should mention that I have zero experience in paid search. I literally zero experience paid search. The voice on the other end is Albert, who has a tremendous amount of paid search experience, but he's not going to help me. We're going to compete, and who's going to make the best. He's going to do it his by hand, and I'm going to use Jarvis. Okay. Troubleshooting conclusions and performance costs. Okay, and then I got some conclusion here. So what's the tone of voice? Like salesy? Informative?
Sure.
Examples. Train Jarvis with example outputs. Huh. Example outputs of the headlines?
We put one headline in there.
Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Data that drives better decisions. Just one? I think we should put two. Okay.
Yeah, click generate, see what happens.
Let's see. So 3 outputs. I need more than 3. I need like 5 to complete
What's the
the
max?
RSA. No, there's... Okay, well, let's see first. Okay, so looks like it outputted some stuff here. Turn on pacing now. get access to key. So let's do some of that. I'm gonna use some of this information. Copy. Use that for headline 1. Use this for headline 2. Okay, so we're at a limit. So I'm going to use that for get access to key. No, it's too short. So we'll do that for there. 45. We'll use description here. Make key performance indicators.
That's the headline.
I know, but I didn't have enough character count. So it's 30 for Google. This is actually too short. So yeah, so maybe we have to combine some of the stuff. So it's
Google Ads, the front.
What, like here?
Google Ads dashboard piecing data.
It doesn't fit.
Go too long.
Yeah.
How about Google Ads?
How about we go for Google Ads, like that? Dashboard pacing data for Google Ads. No, it's gonna sound weird. So dashboard pacing data. Pacing dashboard for Google Ads data. Yeah, for Google Ads. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's keep trying with some other stuff. Key performance. Okay, so we'll do key performance indicators. Simple. Oh. Make KPIs simple for Google Ads. I guess this won't work. Turn pacing on now. For Google Ads. No. Maybe I have to change the example. I'm going to take out the example and have it generate. Okay, this looks like some interesting stuff. Get strategic insights. Where does it stop? So maybe that's a description. That looks pretty good. Get pacing benchmarks. Maybe that's good. Get Google viewable. No. Smartest way to see how Google Ads. This is nice for here. The smartest way to see how Google Ads spending stacks up. Get pacing benchmark. Data Studio dashboard. Free Data Studio dashboards. Get fast access to KPIs. Get pacing benchmarks. Does that even make sense? But I don't even know, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so I got 3 headlines and 2 descriptions. Final URL is here. So I'll take out display URL. Yeah. So www. Okay. Search engine journal. Data Studio. What was it? Data Studio template. Okay. All right. So here we are. We've got a responsive ad to go ahead and add it. And then here we are with the output. I'm not sure how good it is, but at least it's a start. And I guess you guys can tell me if it's pretty good. You know, Albert, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean,
It's good for a non-paid search guy, right? I have no idea what I was talking about. Like literally, I don't even know what pacing means. Like I barely glanced at the article. I didn't read it in full. I think Albert, you know a little bit more about what this means. Maybe you can make sense of it. But at least if I was a junior in an agency and they needed, you know, at least the draft to build off of, so they could get the ball rolling on some ads. That would be my objective. You know, maybe I'm an intern or I'm an entry level guy. They just throw me into the lion's den and ask me to like build something.
yeah, good start.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.